welcome back. Today we are going to be recreating this makeup look. It is inspired by Legally Blonde, and I chose one of the characters. Her name is Paulette, and I chose to take her personality and kind of like turn it into her spirit animal, if I guess you could say. And I chose the doe because I felt like that's what her personality resembled. So, this makeup look is going to be recreated on Ashley.
Wasn't that beautiful?
To start off this makeup look, I'm going to be using the Kiko Milano Matte Face Base. So, that's the primer that we're going to be using for her face. Okay, I think the face is all primed. So, next step is foundation. So, I am using the L'Oreal Paris True Match Healthy Luminous Makeup Foundation in the shade Nude Beige Warm. There you go. That's good. Yes. I think we're good.
It looks like a beret.
Oh my god! It looks like a beret. Alrighty. We're good. Okay, now that we have finished the foundation, we are going to move on to concealer. I have the L'Oreal Paris True Match Crayon Concealer. So I'm going to be using that for her concealer and all of here. Beautiful. Okay. To start off, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So I'm going to be putting this all over her eyes, and I put it on my, what do you call these, ring fingers?
Yeah.
Ring fingers, so that it's softer on her eyelids. Okay, now that her eyes are all primed, I'm going to start off with the makeup look. So, it's going to be a really, like, how do you say this? Neutral or natural look. So, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked palette. My hand's too small for that. And to start off, as a base for her whole entire eye, I'm going to be using the shade Naked. I'm just gonna put that all over her eye. Right, so now that I have that color all over her eye, I am going to go in with the shade Buck. So that's the color that I used before. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to put that all over her eyelid. We are going to go ahead and move on to the eyeliner.
Dude.
I know, I almost rolled over your foot.
I'm glad you know. It would hurt.
So for the eyeliner look, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. And I'm just going to be putting this in the inner corners of her eye. So that is the product we're using. But we have finished that, and we are now going to move on to the eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. And it doesn't have a color, but it's in the shade 4. This is what it looks like. So it's double-ended, so it has the color on one side and then a spoolie on the other. So I'm just gonna so her eyebrows are so full, we didn't really even need to do anything to it. So, but going back in with this eyebrow pencil, I am going to be drawing a line down these sides of her nose. Now that we have finished the eyebrows and then the lines down the nose, I'm going to be taking the Define a Line Ebony Black Pencil by Maybelline New York. And I'm going to be drawing and filling in the bottom portion of her nose black to kind of make that illusion of a deer nose. We are just filling in the nose right now. Okay. Now that we have finished the eyeliner for the nose, we are going to move on to doing white eyeliner right next to the black. Oh wait. I am using the Kiko Milano Intense Color Long Lasting Eyeliner in the shade white. But yes, all the products will be listed below. Alrighty. I am going to finish the other eye with the Kiko Milano eyeliner. Continuing with the white eyeliner, we are going to be drawing circles on her face just to make it look more doe and pretty. Now that we have finished that, I'm going to go ahead and do her mascara. So, for the mascara, I'm going to be using the Milk Kush mascara. To complete this makeup look, I'm going to be using the Stay Glossy by Rimmel London. going to use this setting spray, the Hard Candy Long Wear setting spray. And it's gonna hydrate your skin. Alrighty, the last and final touch are the ears. There you go. Now she is a deer, or doe. Yay! This is the final look. It turned out way better than I thought. This is what it was supposed to look like. So yes, this is the completed makeup look. Bye!